How do you build a dream home? It starts with a good floor plan. Keep things simple and create yours inside PowerPoint. Watch this tutorial that shows you how to build a real, 2-scale floor plan from zero. Start with simple room blocks. Move them around to find a layout that works. Then turn those blocks into a house plan with walls and doors. Gradually build it into a complete floor plan with furniture. It's an easier way to turn your home ideas into a floor plan. Watch the full tutorial to see exactly how it's done. And download the free PowerPoint Floor Plan Starter Kit to follow along and start designing your own floor plan.